In primetime news this evening, DPP sounds the alarm. SSL matter at risk of being thrown out in the court.
A mother of slain social media influencer reacts to the fatal shooting of the chief suspect.
And later, school back in session at St. James High. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Love.
Well, Jamaica's trade deficit narrowed slightly for the period January to October 2024, and it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices.
And it's the big show time. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, it was a second win for the Reggae girls over Peru in the second friendly international, but not so lucky for Jamaica's female cricketers as they lost out to Guyana. We'll tell you about that, those and more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, with the dry season upon us, what measures are you taking to reduce the impact?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.